To import your contacts into Nutshell, you'll want to make sure that you're an administrator on your company's plan. Click on Settings and select Billing, and if you can see the information here and the Upgrade My Plan button, you're an admin. Select Data and then Import to see all of the import options available to you. Before you begin an import, it's important to make sure that Nutshell is prepared to receive your data accurately. Click on Organization to set up all of your custom activity types, channels and sources, company types, competitors, custom fields, industries, and more. Once all of these fields are configured, you can begin your import. We'll go back to Data and select Import, where we'll import our data via a spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet needs to be in CSV format. And if you want to see an example, you can download our import template spreadsheet. You can also get access to white glove import assistance during onboarding. And if you're a Sales Enterprise customer, you can get ongoing white glove imports, where our team will handle the setup for you. Let's click on Spreadsheet to import our contacts via a CSV file. Select your file and click the Next button. From here, we'll make sure that all the fields and columns in our spreadsheet line up with the fields we've already created in Nutshell. You can manually map these fields to ensure that all of your data imports correctly. Next, click the Preview button, where you'll be able to select whether Nutshell should update existing companies and people with your new data, how you want Nutshell to match duplicates, whether you want Nutshell to create leads, and add tags. Once all of your settings look how you want them to, click the Begin Import button, and your import will begin. You can check your import status from the link that pops up there.